Solar energy. Easy concept, right? Everyone knows what solar energy is.
What do you know about solar energy? 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 What do you know about solar energy?
Many people think they understand solar energy, but they don't.
That it's energy that uses the sun, and like solar panels.
I know that solar energy involves making energy with sunlight.
The wavelengths from the sunlight get absorbed by the solar panels.
That there's solar panels by the airport.
Would take like all of Texas filled with solar energy to power the entire United States.
So, if what we think about solar energy is wrong, how does it work? I'm going to toss it over to Caitlin to explain that.
So, sunlight hits solar panels and creates an electric field, and the electricity generated flows to the edge of the panel and into a conductive wire. Then, the conductive wire takes it to the inverter, which turns DC energy into AC energy, which is used to power buildings. Another wire takes the AC energy to a home's breaker box, which distributes energy throughout the house.
Solar energy is critical because it's a clean energy, which means it puts out nearly no pollution. I'll let Kaylee explain that.
Solar panels do not release CO2 or other greenhouse gases to the environment. Solar panels do, however, require a lot of land, which can sometimes result in habitat loss for animals, depending on where the panels are built, and CO2 can be released when they are being built. Once built, solar panels last up to 50 years, meaning that after the CO2 is released during construction, there will be no more emissions from the solar panels or in relation to them for up to 5 decades.
Clean energy is nice and all, but how much do the panels cost? Brandon will tell you.
The two main types of solar panels for homes, one is monocrystalline and the other is polycrystalline. Polycrystalline solar panels have an overall lower purity of silicon. They are not as efficient, but they also cost less. Monocrystalline have the highest efficiency rates. They are very space efficient, and they have the longest lifespan, but they are also the most expensive. The average cost is actually lower than ever before tax reductions. It's about $16,000, but after tax reductions, it is closer to about $11,000.
Renewable energy is also becoming a more prominent topic in politics. Politicians are realizing that we only have a finite number of resources, and once they're exhausted, they're gone for good, which is why switching to solar energy is a great option. Here at Indy Solar, we realize that. Solar energy is great. It's a clean energy, it's pretty cost efficient, and it'll eventually pay for itself. It also boosts the economy by creating jobs. Solar energy is the future. Call today to learn more.